Hi children, good morning. Welcome back to my class. Okay, I hope you all understood about the previous class. What is the previous class? What we discussed in that? Importance of food and the definition of food and also sources of food. And here I want to ask some questions based on that yesterday previous topic. Okay, what are the food items we will get from plants, children? Come on, say that rice and also vegetables. Come on, say what is the spelling of vegetables? Vegetables. Vegetables. And what is the spelling of fruits? Fruits. Fruits. Okay. Vegetables, fruits, and also this rice, wheat, cereal group all also we will get from plants. Okay, and also leafy vegetables also we will get from plants, of course. And coming to the sources of food from animals. And which type of food giving animals? That is milk. A healthy delicious drink is milk. And also from that milk we are getting different types of products like ghee, buttermilk, and also curd, and also cheese, so many paneer. These all items also we are getting from that milk only. Who is giving milk to us? Cow and buffalo. Cow and buffalo also, not only these two, and camels, sheep, some of the goats also they are giving milk, and some of the people they will drink that milk, but most of people will drink cow milk or buffalo milk only. Okay children, this is very healthy food. And also not only this, we will get eggs from an animal. We will get eggs from an animal. And also we are getting chicken. Okay, chicken or mutton. These all also we are getting from an animal. And also fishes. Okay children, fishes. This also we will get from an animal. And also prawns and also crabs, different types of meats are there. These all also we are getting from animals. Anyway, these are the plants and animals are we are called as the sources of our food. And see, for example, we are taking different types of food. Am I right or not? So what are the types of food? See, for example, at morning time you are taking some tiffins. Okay, like already I told you, idli, puri, vada, dosha, uttappam, and different upma, different varieties of food. And these are all items also made from different materials. In later classes you have to discuss that. But these all items also came from different plant products only. Okay children. But coming to the afternoon time. And at that time also you can eat rice and some of the vegetables, and some of the people will eat different of curries. Okay, and some of the people will eat dals and pappets, different kinds of food you can eat. And at that night time also you may eat like that only chapati or puri or idli or again curd rice or some vegetables. So we are taking different types of meals. See, these are our regular meals, but coming to any special occasion day, if you are going to outside of any party or that, at that time you can see different varieties of food. Okay, so now let us we have to see the different kinds of food. Okay, different types of food. Different, different, and types, types, food. Okay children, different types of food. What are the different types of food? First one, rice. Already we know most of people. In that only I told most of people will eat curd rice only. Okay, and that rice we will get from paddy plant. Okay, rice. See, because according to our climatic and geographical conditions, our farmers can cultivate this rice only. But coming to that Rajasthan, and they are always producing that wheat. According to their geographical condition, they are producing wheat only. So that wheat also, here some of the people can cultivate this wheat. Okay, and nowadays so many of people are cultivating maize. item only. We are eating popcorn and also some of the food items, sweet, what is that? Sweet corns. This all also comes under this maize only. Anyway, rice, wheat and maize, these are the main sources of food and these we call as cereals. Cereals, or also we can tell as cereal group. So which type of food we are called as cereal group? That is rice, wheat and maize. Okay children, what is the spelling of rice? R-I-C-E, rice. And what is the spelling of wheat? W-H-E-A-T, wheat. And after that maize, M-A-I-Z-E, maize. Okay, these are which type of group children? These all also cereal group. Okay, what is the spelling of cereal? C-E-R-E-A-L, cereal. The main food of our we are eating, that is cereal group only. See, rice we know about that. Wheat, already I told you, we can make puri, chapati with this only. Okay, with this wheat flour only. Maize, already I told you, that is we are eating popcorns. Okay, so many different varieties. Some of the people will eat only these maize only. Okay, these are the cereal group. And coming to that, these cereals we are taking in our meals. And not only these, sometimes we are taking pulses. We are taking pulses. What are the pulses? Are giving proteins to us. Okay, pulses contain some proteins. And what are that? That is beans. That is beans. And also see, nowadays if you see any DMart or something, in that different types of beans are present in that. Red gram, Bengal gram. Okay, red gram, Bengal gram and green grams. Red gram, Bengal gram, green gram. G-R-E-E-N, green, G-R-A-M, gram. Green gram, red gram, Bengal gram and green gram, and also black gram. B-L-A-C-K, black, G-R-A-M-A-M, black gram. And not only these different types of grams are there, these all also comes under that pulses. Okay children, and not only these, and some of the nuts also comes under these pulses only. And nowadays if you are seeing, this is a shape of a kidney. Okay children, what is this shape? This is also of course bean shape. So that we call this kidney beans. K-I-D-N-E-Y, kidney, B-E-A-N-S, beans. Why we call these kidney beans? Because kidney is a part of in our body. Okay, and these are bean shaped. These are bean shaped. So that we call as these are kidney beans. And also one more name is there for this, that is rajma. That is rajma. R-H-A-M-A, rajma. So what is the another name of kidney beans children? Rajma. If you see this, it is in red color. See, this is rajma is very proteinous food. So much of proteins are present in this food only. What we call that? Kidney beans or rajma. And why we call like that? It is like a kidney shape only. So that we called as kidney beans. What is the spelling of kidney? K-I-D-N-E-Y, kidney, B-E-A-N-S, beans, kidney beans. And what is the another name of these kidney beans children? R-A-J-M-A, rajma. Okay, and coming to this is a very proteinous food. See, different types of food we are taking in our meals, that is rice, wheat, maize like cereal group food, and also pulses like beans. What is the spelling of beans? B-E-A-N-S, beans. And red grams, R-E-D-G-R-A-M, red gram. These all also of course we can call as dals, and these dals we can eat with that some of the leafy vegetables. It is also very healthy and good food to us. And red gram, R-E-D, red, G-R-A-M, gram, red gram. And Bengal gram, B-E-N-G-A-L, Bengal, G G-R-A-M, gram, Bengal gram. And G-R-E-E-N, green, G-R-A-M, gram, green gram. And B-L-A-C-K, black, and G-R-A-M, gram, black gram. This all also comes under the pulses. And one more important character is kidney beans. Okay, K-I-D-N-E-Y, kidney, B-E-A-N-S, beans, and also we call as rajma, R-A-J-M-A, rajma. And this type of food, if you take, they can keep us strong and healthy. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong and healthy. What is the spelling of healthy? H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy. Okay children, this type of food, they are giving strong and healthy to us. What is the spelling of strong? S-T-R-O-N-G, strong, and H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy. Okay, food keeps us strong and healthy. Okay, in that, after some of the healthy food also is there and some of the unhealthy food also is there. So later we have to discuss whether it is good food or bad food. See, already we discussed that we are taking different types of food, and that also we know that we are taking while we are going to any movie. At that time also what we are taking, we know that. So coming to that, in these food items, which food items gives us healthy, keeps us safe, or which keeps us health, and which are not giving health. So let us we have to discuss now. So first one, healthy food items. Okay, healthy food. So what are that healthy food children? Already I told you, healthy food means that is rice and also pulses. P-U-L-S-E-S, pulses. Rice, pulses and milk is also we call as healthy food. And not only these, vegetables, all vegetables, V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables, and also fruits. See children, here I want to tell one general thing, that is maximum so much of people will not show an interest to eat these vegetables. That is very too bad habit only, because some of the vegetables, all vegetables contain some minerals and also some vitamins. So if you are not taking that vitamins and mineral food, you will be always very short only. Understood? You will not grow like me. So that if you take all vegetable curries, all nice food, automatically you can become a good boy or good girl or a very nice man. Okay, and anyway, healthy food is rice, pulses, milk, and also vegetables and fruits every day. These are very good for our health, and also green leafy vegetables. G-R-E-E-N, green, L-E-A-F-Y, green leafy vegetables. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. Green leafy vegetables also very healthy to our body, but some of the food items, they are not giving health to us. Come on, say you know that also. That is unhealthy food. Which type of food we call as unhealthy food? H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, unhealthy. F-O-O-D, food, unhealthy food. See, first of all, if you are going to any movie, first what you will ask, that is ice cream. Okay, and also sometimes you will ask chocolates. C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E, chocolates. And some of the people will ask cold drinks. Cold drinks. Okay, and so much of people, they will like to eat samosa. S-A-M-O-S-A, samosa. And some of the people will eat pizza. Okay, and also some of the people will eat burgers. Okay, these all also we call as unhealthy food. Noodles, pani puri, so many items are there nowadays present in that. Some of the materials like chaat, these all also comes under the unhealthy food, and also we call this is junk food. And also we call this is junk food. See children, what are the junk food items? Come on, say with your mouth. Ice cream, chocolates, cold drinks, samosa, pizza, burgers, noodles, and also so many items. Chaat. These all also comes under the unhealthy food. The another name of the unhealthy food is junk food. Is this health for us? Health. Is it health for our health? No, it is not good for our health. Not good for our health. This junk food is not good for our health. If you take always this junk food, automatically our digestive system will damage, and after that we will get some diseases. So avoid junk foods. So you have to, what we have to learn? Avoid junk foods. Avoid junk foods. J-U-N-K, junk. F-O-O-D-S, foods. Avoid junk foods. So in that place, avoid means what? We have no need to take that type of food because it is not good for our health. So that only we called as this unhealthy food. Okay, and in the place of this junk food, you can take healthy food like some of the vegetable species or some of the salads or fruit salads or vegetable salads. So many items are present in that. So in the place of junk food, you have to take healthy food, because if you take always this healthy food, you can become very strong person. But if you take always this unhealthy food, it will give so much of illness to us, and also they will give some of the diseases. So this is about healthy and unhealthy food. Okay children, every day we are eating different types of food, but in that food items, some of the food items give healthy to us, and some of the food items they are giving unhealthy to us. So and which food items giving healthy to us? That are rice, pulses, milk, vegetables, fruits, and also green leafy vegetables. They are giving milk. They all are giving healthy to us. And coming to these unhealthy food are junk food. So which type of food items we call as junk food children? Ice cream, chocolates, cold drinks, samosa, pizza, burgers, and these comes under that unhealthy food. Also we call as junk food. Okay, and these junk food are not good for our health, so that we can avoid the junk food. In the place of junk food, you can take the healthy food only. Children, here I want to ask some spellings. Okay, what is the spelling of kidney bean children? K-I-D-N-E-Y, kidney. What is the spelling of bean? B-E-A-N, bean, kidney bean. And what is the another name of kidney beans? That is Rajma, R-A-J-M-A, Rajma. It is very essential in that, so much of lot of proteins are present in that. But see children, if you are going to any supermarket, you have to tell to your parents to take that Rajma, because of course it is also helps to your parents' health too. Okay, so give a suggestion to take that Rajma, because it contains a lot of proteins, okay, and already that bean shaped organ is present in our body, that is kidney, K-I-D-N-Y, kidney. So that only we called as that is kidney beans. And coming to that, what are the cereal group children? Rice. Say the spelling of rice, R-I-C-E, rice. And also say the spelling of wheat, W-H-E-A-T, wheat. And what is the spelling of maize? M-A-I-Z-E, maize. Okay, these are belongs to that cereal group. And after that, discuss about healthy food and unhealthy food. See, if you take always that healthy food, you can be very a strong person. And if you take always this unhealthy food, you can become a sick person only. So we have to avoid that junk food, and also in the place of junk food we have to take that healthy food also, and also we can take that vegetable salads, fruit salads. And children, keep that in your mind, you have to eat all nice good food only, because now you are a growing child, your body wants some proteins, so you have to take or you have to maintain a clarity or maintain a good diet in your meals. Now let us see this food and which time we are taking. We are not taking always this food. See, now I am saying something, and after that sometime I will write, and sometime after I will read, and after some time I will play, and after when we are feeling hungry, at that time only we will take food. Okay, in such type of food, in such type of time only we can take food. So which type of food we are taking, that we call as a meals of the day. MEALS, meals, OFOTHED, meals of the day. Okay, how many times we are taking the food, children? Just you count. See, at morning time we can eat, and after that we can eat afternoon, and at last we can eat night time only. Every time we are eating only 3 times. So 3 meals in a day. We are eating 3 meals in a day. How many meals we are taking, children? 3 meals. What is the spelling of meals? MEALS, meals. So we are eating 3 meals in a day. What are that we called as? The first one is breakfast. BREAK, break, FAST, fast. Breakfast. Okay, children. And second one, that is lunch. LUNCH, lunch. And after that is dinner. DINNER, dinner. Say how many meals taking we are every day. How many meals we are taking? We are taking 3 meals in a day. What are the 3 meals? Breakfast. What is the spelling of breakfast, children? BREAK, break, FAST, fast. Breakfast. And after that LUNCH, lunch. And after that what we are taking, children? Dinner. DINNER, dinner. And also one more another name is there for the dinner, that is supper. SUPPER, supper. Dinner or supper. Okay, and these are the 3 meals in a day. We are taking different types of food, and we are taking 3 meals in a day. In that next class we have to discuss about at which time we can take the breakfast, and which time we can eat lunch, and which time we can eat dinner. Thank you.